In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Facebook leads to Zapier. This is a crucial step if you're aiming to automate your workflow and ensure that all your Facebook leads are easily integrated into your other business tools. Let's dive right in and walk through this process. First, you'll want to kick off by heading over to Zapier. Once you're logged in, start by clicking on the Create button. This button is your gateway to building a new Zap, which is essentially an automated workflow that connects 2 or more apps to complete tasks for you. Clicking this button will take you to a new page where you can start setting up your Zap from scratch. Next, you'll find a button labeled Zap. Go ahead and click on this to begin designing your Zap. This starts the process of connecting different applications like Facebook to help automate tasks. You will be prompted to choose a trigger, which is an event that starts your Zap. Think of it like the spark that ignites the whole process. Now, in the search bar provided, type in Facebook lead. This is the app we'll be focusing on as your trigger. Selecting this option means that any new lead generated on your Facebook page will be the event that kicks off this Zap. After selecting Facebook lead, you'll be asked to define an event. What specific action within Facebook lead you want to choose to trigger the Zap. Typically, you'll pick new lead, ensuring that every time a new lead is created in Facebook, Zapier will take the lead. Before you go any further, you'll have to log into your Facebook account through Zapier. This is a secure connection that allows Zapier to access your Facebook leads. Don't worry, your credentials remain safe, and you're only granting limited access required for this app to work. Once signed in, select your account and continue. Now's the time to set up the action that follows your trigger. Click on the Action option. This is where you will decide what happens after a lead is added on Facebook. For this tutorial, we're using Email by Zapier as our action app. This allows you to automatically send yourself an email whenever you receive a new Facebook lead, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Select Email by Zapier from the search options. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts. These instructions will guide you through setting up details for the email to be sent, such as who it goes to, the subject line, and any personalized message you might want to include. Once you've completed this setup, make sure everything is connected properly and give it a test run to confirm that it's working as expected. And that's it. You've now successfully connected Facebook leads to Zapier, enhancing your ability to manage newly gathered leads efficiently. Thanks